Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get these bomb nails in a matter of minutes. So if you guys want to see, make sure you keep watching. So today I'm going to be featuring the Kiss Products Gel Fantasy High Volume Gel Sculptured Nails, and these are the long length in the style Back It Up. The set comes with 28 nails, 28 adhesives, a manicure stick, a nail file, and pink gel glue. I got these from Walmart and the price was $7.99, $8, and a little bit of change with tax included. So I'm just going to show you guys how to measure to make sure it's a perfect fit for your nail. So you're just going to apply the nail, check for both sides, and looks like we have a perfect fit. So in my kit, it appeared that I only had one size nail for one pinky nail. So I'm just taking another one of the smaller size nails, and I'm going to show you in the next clip of how I make it work for my nail. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to file down that side and at the top to make sure that I get the perfect fit for my pinky nail. And I'm just going to fit it, perfect fit. Now I'm just showing you how I prep my nails. So I like to file down the top of my nails first just to give me a smooth canvas to work on. When you get ready to apply your nails, you want to make sure that you have any kind of oils or anything removed off of your nail to get the perfect application. And I'm just filing my nails. You don't necessarily have to do this. This is just something that I do. And I'm taking some pure acetone, and I'm just going to remove any of the excess nail filings off of my nail. And now we are ready to go. So let's get started. So today I'm applying the nail adhesives. I want to only wear this for a couple of days. So what you do is you find your nail adhesive size off of the little pack, and then you're going to apply the sticky side to your nail, and then you're going to remove that plastic backing off of it. Make sure that the nail adhesive covers the entire nail like so. And then you're going to take your nail after you have found the right size for your nail, and then you're going to apply it on, press down firmly. I usually hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds. Perfect fit. I'm going to show you again. Take the nail adhesive, apply the sticky backing on your nail. Make sure that it covers your entire nail. Press that down firmly. And then you're going to remove that plastic backing off of the nail adhesive. And apply your nail and press down firmly. And voila, absolutely beautiful. Now I'm just showing you what it's like to apply it with the actual nails on. It can be a little bit tricky when you're taking that plastic backing off of the adhesive. Perfect fit. Now to the last one. Now I want more of a perfect coffin shape. So what I'm doing is I'm going in with my nail file and I'm just filing down the sides and at the bottom of the nail. You don't necessarily have to do this step. This is just something that I like to do. And here's the final look. Look at that absolutely beautiful coral. And I love the matte finish to it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys thumbs